guys, so it's 7:30 in the morning, and I think I'm going to take a bit of a breathe this morning and read some more of my book, because I haven't really read it since last weekend, because I've been so concentrated on Nano, and they say reading is best as well, so I'm really enjoying the book, so I might do that instead and use my little half an hour before I have to get ready to read instead. Hopefully give myself a little break this morning, and then hopefully later on I'll be able to do some more writing. Yeah. Bye. So instead of writing, this is what I'm spending my evening doing. Watching the new Sabrina show on Netflix, which I've just paused, and sorting out all of these. There's more over there. There's more in my mum's room. There's more in that suitcase. I don't think I'm going to get much writing done, guys. Hi guys, so it's now 9 o'clock and I spent hours doing this. Excuse the other mess, the room isn't finished completely yet. I showed you what it looked like before, how empty it was. And now, I'm so proud of it, guys. The room is still a tip, so excuse that. I need to sort out all of this. Can finally put my pretty chair at my desk. Sort out my desk, make my desk look all pretty. I'm so happy with it, guys. Got my Maleficent and Gamora. And the statues I got from Cyprus. My perfumes. And all my books. I can't wait to film videos at my desk now, guys, when this is all cleared. Hi guys, so it's 10 o'clock and the desk is now done as well. Pretty happy with how it looks. It's been full of stuff for ages. You can probably hear Sabrina in the background. Now just the bed. Hi guys, so it's now 10:05. I spent absolutely hours sorting out my room. I was going to come back straight after work and do some writing straight away, like I did last night, but I've done so much over the last couple of days, I'm pretty proud of myself, so I thought I'd take it a little bit easy, and then I spontaneously decided to sort my room out, and this is what happened. I actually have books behind me now, and my room's more sorted, and I sorted out my desk. And I'm finally ready to write. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys in a bit, see how much I can get done. Go sleep in a couple of hours and then check in the morning. Bye. Hi guys, so it's now 11:45 and I am probably pretty much done. I spent so much time tidying up tonight that I've hardly done as much writing as normal, but I've got about 500 words out. Again, not great, but for all of this behind me, I'm pretty proud of my progress, not including my writing. So there's going to be days when you can't do it, so you just got to go with it, and I've got the weekend now to try and catch up. And yeah, I'm not really sure where I'm going with my scenes at the moment. Like, I'm trying to write this kind of apocalyptic sort of part of the world, and then on the other side of it you've got this really advanced technology based kind of city, so and the characters have literally had to swap their lives, so very different one to write from what I normally do, but definitely enjoyable. I like the characterization, I like the fact that they are basically the same people but in alternate versions of themselves, so that's a lot of fun to play around with, like the different sides of people. Yeah, it's just good fun really. I'm probably gonna see if I can attempt to read some more of Splintered, and then after that get some sleep, and I'm meeting a friend tomorrow. We're going for a writing session, so that should be nice. She's not doing Camp Nano, but she does write YA as well, so should have a nice day. Actually going to Paris with her in May, if all goes well. So yeah, pretty exciting. So yeah, I think that's all for now, guys. I've written about 5,900 and something words overall, and I know I'm still behind by about a good few thousand words, but I'm hoping I can catch up over the weekend, at least do my best to, before I go back to work on Monday. Parents are going on a cruise on Tuesday night. Lucky them. Tuesday morning, sorry. They have to leave about Monday night. Tuesday morning about 2 o'clock they have to get a taxi. They're going flying to Mallorca and then going on a cruise, which is crazy. Jealous. But yeah, I will talk to you guys probably tomorrow. Hope you've had a great day. Hope your nano's going great. Comment below how you think it's going, what you're writing, etc. because I'd love to know, and we can talk about it. Yeah, talk to you guys very soon. Bye.